Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn about multiple linear regression using Python. You might already know simple linear regression where we predict an output using just one input. But in real-world problems, most of the time, there are multiple factors affecting the output. That's where multiple linear regression comes in. For example, if we want to predict the profit of a startup, it won't just depend on how much money they spent on R&D, but also on marketing spend, administration cost, and the location of the company. So today, we'll use a dataset of 50 startups and predict their profits using multiple linear regression. Step 1. Importing libraries. Let's start with the first step, importing libraries. NumPy is used for numerical calculations. Matplotlib helps us plot graphs if needed. Pandas is for data handling. We'll use it to read the dataset. These three are like the holy trinity of data science. Almost every ML project starts with them. Step 2. Importing dataset. Next, let's load our dataset using pandas. Here, X contains all the independent variables like R&D spend, administration, marketing, and state. Y is the dependent variable, the profit we want to predict. If we print X, we'll see the features, and Y contains the profits. Step 3. Encoding categorical data. Now, notice that one of the columns is state, which is categorical. Machine learning models cannot work directly with text, so we convert it into numbers using one-hot encoding. This line transforms the state column into multiple binary columns. For example, if a startup is in California, it might look like 1, 0, 0, while for Florida it might be 0, 1, 0. This way, the model can understand categorical data. Step 4. Splitting dataset. Now we split the dataset into training and testing sets. This helps us check if our model performs well on unseen data. Step 5. Training the model. Now comes the most important part, training the regression model. That's it. With just a few lines, our model has learned the relationship between expenses and profits. The model basically tries to find the best fit line, or in higher dimensions, a hyperplane, that minimizes the error between predicted and actual profits. Step 6. Making predictions. Now let's test the model on unseen data. Here we are comparing the predicted profits with the actual profits side by side. Example output. The first column is the predicted profit, and the second column is the actual profit. As you can see, they are pretty close, which means our model is working well. So, to summarize, we imported the libraries and dataset. We handled categorical data using one-hot encoding. We split the dataset into training and testing sets. We trained a multiple linear regression model. Finally, we predicted and compared the results. Multiple linear regression is one of the most important algorithms in machine learning, and it forms the base for many advanced models. If you understood this, you can now explore feature selection, backward elimination, and regularization methods like lasso and ridge regression to improve your model further. That's it for today's video.